live stream. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day so far. I mean, dude, we fucking murdered it over here today. I'm up over 7% on the day. That's pretty fucking good. Not gonna lie. We might be onto something here with these traffic lights now. I think that might be the case. Me over here just fucking stealing money from the market all the time. Woo! All righty, team. Let's get after it today. Make sure you guys are all hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. And make sure guys are getting your 90% off your first month to the platform. What the fuck are you guys doing sitting on the sidelines? You want to sit there continuously trying to white knuckle it through the market? Or do you want to make things a lot easier for yourself? Here's that QR code right here. Make sure you guys scan that if you do want to stop being led to the slaughter by morons out there who don't know what the fuck they're talking about. You guys see it every single day. These people are stupid. Twitter, YouTube, these people are just idiots, bro. So let's see what we get going in later in the day over here. Let's see. Let's see here. Ooh, dude, murdering it today. Let's see. And guys, make sure that you guys are reaching out to Diana if you do want to upgrade to 3-year to get Gabe's special morning streams, my streams on Wednesday nights, where we're going to be going over a little bit more swing trading, risk management stuff. We're going to be talking about TLT in this one coming up on Wednesday night. So if you guys do want to upgrade to 3-year before the prices increase drastically by the end at the end of this month, make sure you guys reach out to Diana and she will help you guys with that upgrade. So team, we are seeing a little bit of action here on the SPY. We rallied up from those lows this morning. We are now sitting in the green by about $1.74 or 0.45%. Very interesting here. So team, let's see what we get going in later in the day. Don't you guys be slackers on the like button over here. I'm watching you guys today. You bunch of slackers. Slackers. So if you want to join the best place to learn how to trade, you know where to go. If not, you want to keep getting led to the slaughter, have fun with that. But let's see. You thought you called them street lights, now ducks? What do you mean ducks? No, they're traffic lights, bro. They are traffic lights. But yeah, all right. As you guys are filtering in here, keep smacking that button. I got to go grab my coffee really quickly. I will be right back. Is the 1, 3, or 5 minute the best to watch for the 1348 cross? I mean, I like the 5 minute on it's pretty good, but traffic lights are going to be where you really want to be. But give me like 2 seconds. I got to grab my coffee. It just got made. It's right literally over here. It's going to take 2 seconds. All right, team. We're back. How we doing? The price of options have been really high lately. Yeah, that's IV. IV is cranking high with these with the bank situation that we've seen. Yeah. Christian, don't be a fucking loser. That's what I have to say about that. You guys are lucky if I don't kick you out later. Let's see. Let's see here. All right. Let's see what we're going to get, team. SPY now. I'm done for the day. I'm not doing anything else today. I traded a bunch, had some fun, scalped the funny thing is I scalped the piss out of SPY in here. Like, I don't know how that happened, but I literally nailed the SPY. Also, what is going on here? Hold on. What's TLT doing? TLT's moving. Maybe not. Why did these TLT premiums just shoot? That's interesting. Sold your long position in UVXY last Friday. Mainly bought puts for VIX and UVXY. USY. There you go. Your Twitter URL code anywhere? What do you mean? What do you mean? Like for all you affiliates? Oh yeah, let me approve the new affiliates that we have. Oh, we got a few of you guys. What's up, team? How we doing? Yeah, man. Again, guys, make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that affiliate program. If you refer 3 people and your monthly membership is paid. Let's see here. TLT moving up a little bit. I do have a little spicy play on TLT. Maybe I did hit something for fun, scaled into something. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, we're going to go over a little bit more on what the TLT thing is coming up on Wednesday night. This is going to take probably a little while if it's actually going to happen, but this is the first time since last November when my video bottom ticked TLT. And I'll give you guys a little bit more insight into that. So again, that's going to be what we cover in the Wednesday night stream with you guys. So let's see what we have there. I thought you said you were done. Oh, I didn't buy it now. I didn't get it now. I got it a while ago. Do 2 W-2s make a W-4? SUV pre-start ads? Is that actually what they said? Dude, I don't fucking know. That's a question for the accountant. They can figure that one out. I thought you were done. No, I bought those a while ago. They're up like what? 1.77%. I'm gonna be rich. It's a small scaling on a swing, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know. We'll see. It looks interesting. I'm gonna see how it goes. Start to get a little baby position, and we'll see. Andy, that's weird. 2 W-2s making a W-4. What in the fuck is they trying to do over there? They're like, oh yeah, let's just like make random. Doesn't make sense to me, but yeah, I think Spy's probably going to be done until probably 2:30, 3 o'clock. Then it might make another pretty drastic move. But this market was on crack today. You had to be very, very, very nimble to get in and out of these trades. Let's see. KPR, I honestly don't know what you're talking about there. Yellow on the 5 on the SPY. Well, here's kind of what you have to do sometimes. Oh, that's interesting. SPY does have it. It's hanging on to this 200 EMA. Huh. That's interesting there. I mean, again, with SPY, I'd probably be getting next week expiration contracts with this, or at least Friday. I mean, I'd give myself as many expirations dates as I physically could or felt comfortable with. Just because, I mean, it's on the 5-minute. And the other problem is too, is that the premiums are a little bit juiced. They settled down a lot. I started flipping contracts a little bit earlier. But they were juicing for a while. Winning loser, you are walking a fine line here, buddy. You're going to be putting time out for a second. And if you say anything else, I will probably kick you out. So where we don't play those games around here. Let's see, guys. All right, 11 likes away from 50. Keep getting after it, team. You guys are slacking. One of your daughter's name is Nimble, and then the other one's Arugula. That's interesting. You just came up with the weirdest names for your children, but that's kind of cool, I guess. They're unique. What'd you miss? Not much, bro. Not much. Not much. Spy does have it on the 5-minute there, but again, you have to get more time on these contracts. If you're playing a traffic light on the 5-minute, this is going to take a while to flicker around, and it also hasn't even confirmed yet. The next candle will confirm it, but this one, I mean, you have a minute 30 left for it to confirm. Nilton? That's a fucking cool name. Let's see. That's a very cool name. All right, guys. The afternoons have been slow over the past few weeks here. I mean, let's see what we get here. Spy starting to move up here on the 5. That's interesting. Your kid's name is Aiko? That's an how do you pronounce that? You know someone named Ransom? What? Bro, that person must have like the wildest story of how they were named ever. Be like, yeah, well, my mom and dad were being held for ransom, and they thought the best thing to do when being held in that situation was to fuck. And then they just decided that's what to name me. It was that or kidnapping, I pronounced it right? Oh, that's pretty cool. Like, seriously, guys, that's... Yeah, well, one time, they're being held for ransom. It's a result of hawkish bank issues causing dollar weakness. Tomorrow will be a party one way or another. Hey, I'm happy for that. I mean, it's CPI day as well. You know, a stumbling bear. It was ransom or felony. Yeah, but they weren't the ones committing the felony. Stumbling bear. That sounds like a Native American name. Be like, my name's Dave Stumbling Bear. Did I miss the announcement? Am I having a kid and getting married? Nope, neither of those things. Your kid's name is abduction. Like, dude, ransom is still better than zip tie. Hey, man, if the kid's name was zip tie, I mean, that may not have to do anything with getting abducted or ransom. I don't know what you freaks get up to at night. Let's see. So, let's see. You never know what you guys are doing over there. Getting some fucking restraints going. All right, whip paddle. Okay, let's see. It would be funny if it hit 393. What are we at right? That'd be a $5 move, bro. I doubt that. I mean, you'd have to get way up here. I wouldn't say it's impossible, but zip tie versus duct tape. Okay. Zip ties, I feel like are fair. If you're breaking the duct tape out, that's a different game, bro. I don't know what you guys are doing over there. Duct tape? Bro, you can't bring that girl home to mom. Like, yeah, well, you know, sometimes we use duct tape. All right, guys, come on now. Let's see. Do you need your tools? Maybe I should be hanging out with Winning Loser. Hey, man, he gets after it over there. Handcuffs work well. Yeah, well, you know, you need the. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I don't know anything. I just sit home and read the Bible. TLT, where are you going? You look like you were about to have so much fun there, TLT. Where are you going? All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in over here. Helps get some more people in. You do have this 5-minute traffic light here on the SPY. Let's see where that thing wants to go. Did I cut the bungee? The what? Huh? What? Prevalent in the Bible? Okay. Fair enough. Yeah, I mean, technically, you're not wrong. I mean, all right, guys. All right. It's the afternoon on a day that we made fuckloads of money on. Took your profits on merit too early and it went up 50 more cents. You got stuck in Robinhood. Tomorrow going to be play more smartly. Good, Daily Bread. Please be smart. Makes those options earn their color. Jesus, guys. Yeah, they do have to earn it. You're still up in Robinhood by a lot. Yeah, here's why you fucked up, Daily Bread. Ready? You are literally about to hold through CPI. So today becomes irrelevant for your portfolio. It could go up 100% today. Don't matter. You got CPI tomorrow. TLT entries thing today. I mean, I just slowly scaled into it, but I don't really expect anything crazy to happen. It's just like a marker. Like I'm just like, okay, well, if anything crazy happens, it's also a hedge. Now it's dying. Like what are these contracts out here? They're probably basically flat or slightly down. They're down 0.4% right now. What if you get out at market open? It won't matter because CPI comes out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow before the market opens. Where do you buy call options on stupid? Yeah. Well, see, that's the problem with fucking around with PDT. At least you took your profits on Weeble. Yeah. Don't be a dumbass next time. Guys, the things that I say around here are for a reason. So if you're not going to listen to them, I mean, you're signing your own portfolio death. So ECB announced that they will be sticking with a 50 basis point hike. Dixie will continue to drop, meaning SPY strength. Yeah, unless we come out and say some wild shit too tomorrow with CPI. So CPI is going to be the big factor for tomorrow that everybody's paying attention to. So that's, I mean, this 5-minute traffic light here on the SPY doesn't look too bad right now. I bet it looks okay on the 1 minute as well. Traffic light here. Oh yeah, this is just slowly melting up, but very, very, very slowly. It's not really doing anything here. I probably wouldn't touch any of that. 3 minutes probably looking decent. Yeah, 3-minute traffic light retest. Boom, you nailed that. Easy, guys. Keep it simple. CPI can cause huge swings. Don't fuck around and find out. I know, man. That's why I tell you guys, hey, maybe if you're in if you have an account with less than $25,000, maybe you should be in a cash account or stop fucking around with Robinhood. But again, it's your decision. You got to make it at the end of the day. Let's see. Just get liquid. Here comes SPY, a little bit higher here. That's not bad. I mean, you could see it come back up to this little wick here, 388.77 before it starts to settle down. The IV would eat it. Yeah, it would. But Biden said CPI is going to be good. Who knows, man? Nobody knows what CPI is going to be. I mean, he probably does, but you think it'll be fine? We got to drop a whole dollar on Mara before we lose. It ripped a dollar today. It can always tank. NASDAQ halts Signature Bank. NASDAQ's trading will remain halted until Signature Bank has fully satisfied NASDAQ's requirement for additional information. Jesus, dude, this bank stuff is getting wild, but the market doesn't actually give a fuck. Let's see. Yeah, here comes SPY moving up to that level. Let's see. Nice little 5-minute traffic light there, and there it hits. Boom. There you go. Ryan, I swear to God, if you freaking hesitated on that one, I'm going to lose my mind. There's been 200 halts alone today in the finance sector. I'm an idiot. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. They've been halting the shit out of those. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Don't be a slacker. And see, you came right to that level, wicked it, and now selling back down. But that was a nice little 5-minute traffic light there. I mean, again, you guys see the power of the traffic lights every single day. You want to come take advantage of it? Or do you want to keep sitting with your thumb in your ass thinking, oh my God, I can make money on my own? Ooh, how's that going for you? Let's see. What's up with Western Alliance? What's the ticker? You allowed my comment to change your mind? Well, don't do that. You can't blame me, Ryan. You called it. You said 5-minute traffic light up. The only thing that I said that I didn't like it on was that it hadn't confirmed it yet. And then it confirmed and boom, you were good to go. Portfolio 5.14% today. There you go. It's okay. You're green. Yeah, but what are you green by? Like 0.2%? What I do with my thumb is none of your business. Fair. Can you order a huge red candle? I don't know, man. You gotta ask. I don't know if that's on the menu for today. You've gotten a few of them, but nothing too crazy. Wall is gonna survive? I don't know. 0.34. Well, Ryan, I try to help you, buddy. Traffic lights still rock. No, Daily Bread. You don't even have the right to say, oh, I don't want to. I still appreciate it, though. It works. You're just not using it. Like, you just YOLO'd and did something dumb with money that you know you can't sell with. You just did the equivalent of sticking your you-know-what in a you-know-what that has AIDS and said, fuck it, it'll probably be okay. That's what you've done here. That's what you've done. You said, "Yeah, I can't get out of this. Once I make my decision, it what like, come on, bro. That's what you've done. I did not help you. How did I not help you on this 5-minute one? Don't knock it. You could have made more, but you bought the wrong. Oh, you bought the warrants? That's how you got sick all last week? No, 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 no. That's not how I got sick, Andy. I got sick because of the playground and eating 4 triple cheeseburgers from McDonald's one night. That was a bad decision. I blame McDonald's for me doing this. I should not have done it. It was a really stupid decision, but I hadn't done it in a while, and I was like, well, maybe I won't feel like I have cancer the next day. Yeah, well, I ended up getting sick for a week and a half. So no more McDonald's ever. You did not help you. Oh, that makes more sense. 390 could be possible. I mean, we've already touched it today. You got to get through this level right here that you just wicked off of. Fat the Vix is back. No, 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 no. Fat the Vix is not coming back. No, it was like I think I did this at like 1 in the morning. That doesn't count. If you eat food at 1 in the morning, it doesn't count. You guys know that, right? You guys know that rule? It just doesn't count. If I eat 4 triple cheeseburgers from McDonald's at like 3 in the morning, don't count. Spy Journal, I would go watch the video that I break it all down in. It's the most recent video on my channel. They have triples at McDonald's. You call BS? No, they do. And they were all discounted as well. Dude, I felt like they weren't even, I mean, they're good, but I gotta like never do that again. That was like 2 weeks ago. And I don't think I will ever do that again. I think the last time that I ordered McDonald's might have been around the time that I got roofied. It was around then. But I know the roofie night was a burrito because I ended up unwrapping the burrito, putting on a plate, and then putting it in the freezer, which made no sense to put the burrito on a plate, unwrap it, not eat it, and then put it in a. That made no sense. But somebody decided to drug the Vicks, so you know. Discounted food at McDonald's. That's a thing. That's also a sign not to eat it. No, 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 Andy. It's it's Uber Eats deals. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys this story. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I forgot to tell you guys this. 2 nights ago, I created my own Uber Eats deal. This is how you do it. All right. The market's moving slow right now. I'm going to teach you guys this life hack. It's really hard to accomplish and you never know if you're going to be able to do it again. But here's what happened. I was sitting at my buddy's house and I was like, okay, I need food because like we're about to go drinking. Even though I've decided to chill on the drinking too. Just put it out there. I need like more sleep these days. But this is what happened. So I order food because I'm like, well, I'm going to drink a little bit. I don't want to just like randomly fuck myself. So I order a pizza and it takes a little bit longer than it should have to get there. And I go out and I get the pizza and I'm like holding it and I'm like, why is this so heavy? Why is my pizza so heavy right now? And I'm like, this is weird. And then I walk back inside and I open it up. And do you know what's in there? Not what the fuck I ordered. I ordered a buffalo chicken pizza. Do you know what's there? 2 giant things of dough, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, a little container of sauce, and some other shit. They sent me 2 build your own pizzas. So obviously, I send a message on the Uber Eats app and I said, hey, this isn't what the fuck I ordered. I ordered a buffalo chicken pizza that you guys were supposed to make, or this restaurant was supposed to make, not build your own pizza at the damn pregame. So I send them a picture, they refund me, and they give me like $7 of Uber cash. And then I go and I reorder my buffalo chicken pizza, and then me and my buddy made the pizzas. The other ones. So we're sitting there at the pregame just making pizzas. We don't have a roller. So we take high noons and just start rolling out the pizza dough. And we made our pizzas. And then we got another pizza. So we got 3 pizzas for the cost of half a pizza. How genius is that? I only ate half of my pizza because I wanted to eat the pizza that I cooked. But like, come on now. That's fucking big brain shit. I got 3 pizzas for the price of half of one. I broke the matrix. I did. Winning is winning. Yep. Which one was better? Oh, obviously the one that they made. So basically, scammer gets scammed. Not really. I mean, what am I supposed to do? Like with they gave me pizza dough. The fuck am I supposed to do with that? Like, I'm just supposed to be like, all right, I ordered food from you. Yeah, it also didn't include any instructions. 0 instructions, just like, here's some dough, here's some cheese and sauce. Figure it the fuck out. You know what I did? I figured it the fuck out, and I ordered another pizza. So by the time that the 2 pizzas were ready, I was ready to go. What are you talking about, global traders? What vote are you talking about? If life hands you dough, you make pizza. Yup. Also, 30 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. How long did you microwave it for? Nah, they have an oven. I have an oven too. What the? I'm not microwaving pizzas. What am I, psycho? The reverse stock split vote for AMC? Oh, I don't give a fuck about that. That's a bunch of bullshit. That's them admitting that Ape was a failure. So that's all that is. I tried to warn everybody. I don't give a fuck about that anymore. Like, they fucked everybody over. What did I season my pizza with? Oh, I did put some garlic powder on it. But yeah, global traders. I mean, I warned people the day that it came out that that thing was about to die. So I mean, people just listened to who they wanted to listen to, and they listened to morons is what they did. Maybe a little psycho. Yeah, a little psycho, but yeah. So for SPY to really get up towards these highs, it needs to get a nice clean closing candle over 388.75. If we can do that, ooh, that could be nice. But this little 5-minute traffic light here off this retest here, you caught almost $1 move on the SPY there. Oh, definitely $1 move there. Let's see. What do we got here, team? I mean, this is nice. Where's TLT? It's probably dying, isn't it? Yep. Yep. You're waiting for something to break, which I don't know if it's gonna. I just have a placeholder there just for fun. We'll see what happens with CPI tomorrow. Flavors the crust. Oh yeah, I also made it stuffed crust. So I like did it and then I like rolled the shit in. It was pretty interesting. Then when they sent me my pizza, I saw that they invert rolled the crust and I was like, that's weird as fuck. But you know, do what you got to. Tessie's running up to new highs here. Nice little 1-minute traffic light there. I mean, again, you guys aren't trading with the traffic lights. You might be a bit of a stupid head. I don't know what the fuck you're doing at this point. I mean, you guys have seen the amount of success that we've been having with them. Let's see here. Strangles on CPI. Can't do that with the stupid crap with this IV. Yeah, you can't do it now. I mean, tomorrow. Let's check tomorrow's because they were like 450 at the money for a while this morning. What are they now? Yeah, they're $1 cheaper. They're not as bad as they were, but they're still bad. The IV went from I think 50% to 44. I think maybe that was on the daily though. What are the like the dailies? What are the dailies at now? Then there's one other really important thing that we have to check here too. Yeah, the IV came down across the board on the SPY. Then we got to check this. This is what I want to check here. Come on. Okay, now they're pricing in a 25, which is interesting. So the rate hike, that's interesting. The playground insults now? What are the playground insults? I don't insult anybody at the playground. The playground's my happy place. I can't really go to the playground for a little bit though, because I've got like a bar crawl this weekend, something the next weekend. So I'm gonna be not able to go see my people at the playground for a little bit, which is fine. I don't need to go there every time. But when I do, they know who's coming. They do. Andy, who's coming? Calling us stupid heads? Well, don't be a stupid head. And then I won't have to call you stupid. There's another test right here of that 388.75. Let's see. Yeah, also remember, all of you guys have 90% off your first month to the platform, so make sure that you guys hop in over there. I'll throw the link in the live chat. You dum-dums are getting left behind, you stupid heads. I mean, dude, these traffic lights, I'm up what, 6-7%? That's fucking insane with these traffic lights, dude. Remember, but like the days before the traffic lights, I was in like 1, maybe 2. With the traffic lights, turbocharged. 6.5, 5% days. They're really solid. I'm hunting a big double-digit percenter day, which they're gonna happen. Did you ever throw away the underwear you shat on? That's an interesting question, Eli. Here's actually a really, really fun fact about that day. Wasn't wearing any. So it was not fun, not gonna lie. Poopy heads with no traffic lights? I mean, you are a poopy head with no traffic light. What are you doing? You see everybody printed with them and you're just like, I don't know. Next level on Tesla to the upside. I mean, you get, well, you're kind of at it right now. Maybe 176.84, right around there. I could look at it on the 4-hour, but I mean, if you're in this on the 1 minute, see, here's the thing. If I'm in it and I've already scaled out, I don't really give a shit about like these levels unless it's like a big level. Like if it's approaching something like this on a 1 minute traffic light down, then I'll move a big stop up. But if there's not really like a big blue pill line there, I'll just keep moving stops up. And if it gets hit, it gets hit. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You had 5% today. Yeah, let's do a little bit of roll call, team. Trade 1348 gang. What are you guys up today? Let's see them. Let's see these gains. Do a smell test on the chair. I won't, but I'm sure a lot of you guys in the live chat would like to do that. You fucking weirdos. 5%. There you go, Northeast Beaver. 0.34, not bad. Ryan's up 11%. There you go, dude. Oh, here. Wait. McCocken, how are you up 535% on the port? That's McCocken. What have you done? 3.5%, 2%, 118%. There you go. 9%, 19% on the port. Eli, you should never be down 4%. 5.8, 2.5. McCocken, what have you done here? I'm curious about this. What did you buy? 3.5%. Dude, you guys are killing it. I'll throw this link in here for you guys again. I mean, you get over 90% off your first month. 11%. There you go. 16.4. Jesus, team. 0.5%. That's fine, Barry. Didn't trade today, Nico? That's fine. Puts on City from Friday, and you're up 535% on your port. That's what I would like to call ridiculous gains at a boy. McCocken for the win. Nobody told me there was math. Bank options paid big. Yeah. I mean, this is the other thing. People were asking me over the weekend if I was going to like bet against bank stocks this week. And I'm like, the very fact that you're asking me that means I should probably be buying calls. I didn't do anything on it though. The IV is probably a little bit crazy on them. I just didn't want it. Paper traded for about 1% in futures. Nice. Oh, I have a question. I have a question for everybody that trades futures right now, because there's one thing that I'm confused on that I need to know. Ready for the question? Who's trading hit 180% on Mara in 30 minutes for the traffic light? Nice. Okay. Those of you guys that are trading futures in here, this is the question I have. What is the effect on your buying power? So let's say you have a $10,000 account. What's the effect of your buying power if you buy one ES Mini? Is it like the 7,000 number or is it the 500? Dan, it's probably not after 8. 2 + 2 = 4. You're up 162% for 3 weeks. That's pretty good, Eli. So those of you guys that are trading futures, what's the effect of your buying power on one mini? Is it like the 7 grand number, the 13 grand? 3890. Sorting. What's the what broker? What broker is that? You're trading minis, right? Not micros? TS trader? Okay. Anybody else? What are they on Tradeovate? Anybody know? Because I just never traded them before. Yeah, 13,409 on TD for one. See, they're different at the different brokers. That's where it gets iffy, because you can effectively lever it differently on different brokers because of their margin requirements. I'm just trying to figure out what it is. ESH3. I'm pretty sure that's minis. Or are those micros? No, it wouldn't be micros, because then it would be like 100 times. Let me shoot a message to DM. Let's see. Yeah, SPY's looking interesting here. It just needs to get that clean break of this, the 388.75. I've got this on the 5-minute now because, I mean, I'm not trading it on the 1-minute. So we'll see what happens by the end of the day. Ooh, we are, what is that, 14 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. Dude, I'm up a lot today. Jesus. What a day, bro. What a way to start off the week, man. Fucking crazy. Let's see if we can stack that up again tomorrow with some big ass gains. So, all right. So it's 13 grand on TD, which makes sense because that's what it should be. But then it's 38.90 on our futures easy to learn. Yeah, sort of. I'm just looking at what the effect of the buying power is because I have to do like mental math on it. E-mini moves like so. No. I know they do, but yeah, I know. I know how they move. I'm looking at the effect of the buying power because they make it so convoluted on all the different brokers. I'm like, okay, what the fuck is the effect of the buying power? And it's different at different brokers. So that's where it gets weird. Am I eventually going to teach you futures? Maybe. It's the same deal. It's just there's slightly different things that you have to be aware of with them. Let's see if DM got back to me. Not yet. You're going to try to do get a funded account? Nice. I'm pretty sure Tradeovate's finally going to approve me now. which is kind of sweet. Spy's marching here, dude. Here we go. Was that a candle? Yeah, that's a candle close above. Let's see if this thing breaks out here. You're gonna try to get a 150K one. How much is it? Like $1,000? The only this is the thing that I hate about it's the trailing drawdown rule. I fucking hate that because I don't need their money. Like if I wanted to load up an account, I would just load up the damn account. Like I don't need their fucking money where they're gonna put all these restrictions on me where I can't. Like if I go, I don't like it. Wait, it's $169 for a $150,000 funded account? That's crazy. First 5K, no juice. Then after that, you keep 90%. Yeah, that's usually how they are. $369 for 300K, bro. That's ridiculous. Oh, it's called the funded trader, right? Oh yeah, and they refund you when I think they refund you once you get it. Once you get the account. Or you can get lifetime for Fed payments. No. That's not what we're talking about here, Jackson. We're talking about fund like prop firms. Oh no, our table. Yeah, it's sharking a little here. This is This is probably coming down to 48 on the one. Oh, Top Step? Top Step's not bad. I mean, I've heard good things about a lot of them. I'm just not going to do it because of those bullshit rules that they have. Which, I mean, again, like if I was them, I would have those rules in it too, but I'm not them. And this is also something, because I watched a video on it. I'm like, well, I'm being a little bit picky because, again, at the same time, it's like they're giving you money to trade, which they don't have to do, so they can basically make whatever fucking rules they want. Tesla hit that level, the 176 one. Nah, it's getting there. It's like 176.84 is the one that I was looking at there. Spy rimming that 5-minute 13. You guys see how good this 5-minute traffic light is? If you're getting it at the retest of the 200, let's say 387.32, you caught over $1 move on the Spy just now. Good for you guys. Again, these traffic lights print, man. You want to get in? I'll pop the QR code back up for you guys too, so you guys can get 90% off your first month using code PRINTCITY. And again, make sure that you guys are reaching out to Diana to upgrade to 3-year before the end of the month, because again, I mean the price is drastically increasing. So for right now, again, if you pay the $13.48 upfront, which is what you have to do, there is no payment plan for 3-year. I'm going to make that very fucking clear right now before I do this math. Ready? I don't want to hear any questions. I don't want Diana to get any questions about this because don't be stupid or else I'm going to yell at you. If you pay it up front, which you all do for 3-year, you effectively are paying $37 a month. Is there a payment plan? No, there's no payment plan for $37 a month for 3-year. Don't ask me that because that's not how it works. And you get access to everything. You guys make my brain bleed sometimes. But yeah, just reach out to Diana. You'll get everything. I was just trying to bring us back to us common folk trading options. Options are good, but on a day like today, I would be nailing. I mean, I didn't need it. Once the premiums like fizzled down in here, it was fine. But in the morning, the premiums were juiced. I didn't like them. You have 100 Netflix puts and 150 Tesla puts 2 weeks out today for 2 weeks out in your paper trading account for your college class. You're ranked 4th in the class right now. You're hoping to jump to 1 with the CPI YOLO. I mean, that's dumb, but I mean, it is what it is. On your real account, took 10% WBase hits like always. Nice. I mean, if you're in a paper account for your class, you can fuck around a little bit for fun. But at the same time, it's like if I was in that class, I would just show them like the nasty power of the traffic lights. But the other problem is like, I don't know how they do it now. Back when I was in school and like in high school, when I did a paper trading thing, they wouldn't let me trade options. And I was like, oh, that's just not fun. And then I sparked everybody anyway with AMD and NVIDIA. Like this was back in like 2018, 2017, back when I was graduating high school. So like it was right at the time when those chip makers were going nuts. I think it was the spring when they just went floom and I just slaughtered everybody. Check out Top Step. I've seen Top Step before. I don't need their money and I don't want their money. E-mini is dirty with the traffic lights. No, I know. I'm just trying to figure out what the effect of the buying power is on one. Also, if you're in 4th right now and you're in our group, you gotta step it up, bro. We can trade options, but the fills are horrible. Delayed too much to day trade. You've been swinging. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, Kenzo, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Dude, I'm slaughtering it today. Dude, I've got fucking Morgan Wallen song stuck in my head right now. Why God be so heartless? All right, sorry, my bad. Sorry, this is what happens when we're up over 5% in our account for the day, and then we just kind of fuck around in the afternoon. You would be in first place, but you only started actively trading in the past 2 weeks. Good. Level on Tesla, did it hit? Yeah, that hit. Let's see what happens. I mean, I wouldn't say this is a very strong level, but if I was in on this one, wait, this is so confusing. Did you just? Oh. Hope I'm doing well. I'm doing fucking great. Also, fun fact. Wait, I don't think I've told you guys about this before. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one in the zoo. Never mind. Never mind. I don't think I've told you guys about this one on the stream before. Yeah, nope, we're not doing that. Whoa. Okay, just kidding. Gotta turn my buddy's group chat off. Let's see what we're gonna get. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in, and make sure you guys are hopping in for 90% off your first, or it's actually 93% off your first month of the platform. Woo! Where's TLT? Hammered. Yeah, what was the screenshot that I sent you guys earlier of what my account was at? Like 7 point something? It's like sitting right around there still, even with all these fluctuations. Let me go back. I don't even know. It was like 7 something. So yeah, 7.34. I'm sitting at 7.34 right now. I mean, I still have open positions, but like I traded a little bit more than that too. So it went up, some of the swings went down, but it's overall right around 7.34 for the day. Not bad. I'll take that. Slowly stacking up those gains. 7 days ahead. You out of those Tessie calls? There you go, buddy. I mean, that was a good level to play off of. I mean, you could just use the stop loss strategy. This thing can still continue to go. This traffic light on Tesla here, for those of you guys that need yet another illustration of just how dirty the traffic lights are, you just caught a 2% move in Tesla or $3.50 on a 1-minute traffic light. You are welcome. I mean, how big was the move that I hit on Tesla today? It couldn't have been that big. I mean, I entered on this candle right here. How big was it? Okay, 382. So you should be up. The premiums on Tesla were probably a little juiced in the morning. So you could be up about 50% on this move here. Because I think mine were 30. I think I was up 30 on the Tessies. That was a really good trade. That was just RSI break on the 1 minute, risk and RSI break back down. Easy. That one was simple. Scale out, throw stops and profit, and let the thing go. SPY, hello. Oh, nice. Now I'm up 7.65% for the day. Whoo. Whoo. Would you make more the more cost? No. Not on days when IV shoots, and that's the reason why the contracts are more expensive. This is probably one of the highest percentage days that I've had in a while. I usually like 2 or 3% is usually what I can hit pretty consistently. Anything above like, I mean, I've been hitting 4 or 5% days pretty consistently too. But anything above 5 is usually where I just am like, yeah, I'm done trading for the day. I also didn't miss a trade today. I had 0 losers, and a lot of them were a little bit more risky. How much should the contract be? $1 or $2? On Tesla or on SPY, it's going to depend on the stock that you're trading. On SPY, it depends on the expiration date. The at the monies on SPY dailies are usually going to be around $1. That's usually what it is. The 1 day out is usually going to be between 130 and 200. That's usually what they are. I just have ranges in my head. You got stopped in profit. GG's, boys. Traffic lights forever on fire. I know, dude. I don't know what these people are doing that aren't trading with the traffic lights. They must be like, I don't know. They got something going on with them. Like something's wrong with them. But so again, that's not like, so when I see it drastically outside that range, that's when I start to be like, maybe I'm not going to trade SPY, because if you looked at it this morning, the at the monies for tomorrow's expiration were $4.50. If they're usually $1.30 to $2, I'm not touching it. Jesus. So, and again, you guys learn that those, like, you'll start to see those things once you just stare at premiums all day long. You'll be like, well, this is just usually what they are, because you don't want to spend that much. No, it's not. It has nothing to do with spending that much. Like, it has to do with what the fair value of the contract actually is. You're just overpaying. It makes more sense to sell. So here's what some large institutions do. When volatility picks up like that, what they do is they just sell a fuckload of options. If you did that today, you probably have murdered it, because you just saw premiums deflate. The reason why you got to be so, and one of the reasons why I was so quick with these scalps today is because these premiums are going to fly all over the place. When you see IV juiced like this, the moves against you are going to hurt a lot more than the moves in your favor, because they're pricing in big moves. So the contracts may not move as much, but since the IV is so high, theta is still going to get you and nail those contracts because they have more to go. SPY dailies are trading at weekly prices. Not right now. It's kind of like 1 day. So like if you look at the dailies on SPY right now, it's typically like so if I were looking at the daily chain on SPY, now they're fine because we're getting towards the end of the day, so they're not as juiced anymore. But let's check tomorrow's. Tomorrow's are still going to be relatively yeah, tomorrow's are fucked. So like, remember how I said that they're usually $1.30 to 200? They're at the monies are currently trading at 360. So what you're doing is you're overpaying by about $160 a contract on the high end or on the low end. So why would I overpay to have potentially a less volatile move in my favor, but more aggressive moves against me? Because theta is still going to affect the contracts in the same percentage way with pumped IV. So that's why I went for Tesla today instead of SPY in the morning, because I looked at the Tesla chain and they were still like the 1 to 2 strikes out were still between like $500 and $700, which is what they usually are at this point in the week anyway. So I was like, okay, well, that risk reward makes more sense. Again, if I had my futures account, I would just, so what do you do? Wait for it to come back to normal? Yeah. Or you find something else to trade where the premiums aren't completely fucked up, like I did with Tesla. The other thing that I would have done was, and we talked about this morning, is that I would have just traded futures, because it ticks a tick. Like, you know what the effect of the buying power is going to be every single time. You know what, like, how much it's going to move up or down no matter what. You don't have to deal with the Greeks. That's one of the benefits of futures. Now, if it's a normal day, the only benefit and the only thing that futures is really going to have over options is the tax incentive, because you can get basically similar leverage, and it's whatever you're more comfortable with at that point. Because like, if I see on a normal day, okay, well, I'll just go trade the options versus the futures. But on a day where IV is crazy, I would much rather trade the future because you know that the moves are going to be volatile anyway. So this is the other reason. So if you're looking at futures versus options, and the options market is pricing in large moves and you actually get those big moves, well, that's great if you're a futures trader, because you're still going to be capitalizing on those ticks. For options, that same dollar amount move in the underlying, so the SPY, is going to have less of an effect on your premiums. So let's say you had okay, so let's actually break it down a little bit easier. Let's say on a normal day, a $2 move on the SPY is going to give you 100%. Just using bullshit numbers. But on a day where the IV is high, it's only going to give you 30%. So like today, let's say that you got that $2 move. If it was a normal day, it would have been 100%. If it was a abnormal day, it's going to be 30%. But in order for it to get that big $2 move, the options market is going to price in that big move anyway. So you're probably going to be at that 30% end. I hope you guys are following this. So normal day, you'd make 100%. You would make a lot more, but just putting that out there. So 100% on a normal day, 30% on a high IV day. With futures, it doesn't change. You actually have a higher probability to make more money on capitalizing on those moves because think about it logically. If the options market is pricing in the probability for bigger moves, why not just trade the thing that's going to give you the move? You capitalize on the move more with futures. So it depends on the day, and you get the better tax and the tax advantages of futures. 60% of your gains are taxed at long-term capital gains versus short-term. But that's also one of the reasons why I didn't want to trade SPY in the morning, and then I started flipping it in this range here. But yeah, as they got closer to the end of the day, yeah, they came back down to normal. So then I started fucking around with SPY. Does that make sense to everybody? It just has to do with IV. And overpaying for contracts. You want AMD? You're right at the 1 minute 200 here. So that would be the biggest level that you got to watch. Then 82.29 to the downside. So I hope that makes sense to everybody here. The Gabe Beast Mode video? I don't know what you're talking about there. What Beast Mode? Are you talking about a stream from this morning? It should be in the master class updates. SPY just bouncing off that 5 minute 13 there. Andy. Isn't this volatility market wide though? Yeah, it is. But the thing is that if it's not going to affect everything the same. Where you see him trade? No, I don't think you see him trade anything. We're not doing any of the follow trade bullshit that those other idiots are doing. Yeah, so Arvin, it is market wide, but at the same time is like the overall market's like implied volatility is going to be higher than, let's say, Tesla's, because Tesla's not directly affected by the bank stuff. If Tesla had exposure to SVB, which I don't know if they did or not, I just looked at the premiums and they looked good. But they're going to have less exposure to that, which can then bring that. But again, it doesn't matter. It's just like knowing what the premium ranges are and being like, okay, this is usually what they are in this like broad range. And if it's wildly outside of that, it's like, okay, maybe stay away. But yeah, here's that QR code for you guys here too, to make sure you're getting 90% off, over 90% off your first month to the platform. If you're missing out on it by now, don't know what to tell you, bro. 1 for 1. Dude, I think I'm like 5 for 5 or 6 for 6 or something. I didn't take any losses today. It's great. Some of the trades that I had would have been way better if I held them a little longer, but I really didn't give a shit. Will the TLT video be 3-year lifetime and 13? It'll be the live stream on Wednesday night where we're going over TLT is going to be for 3-year and OG lifetime. So like the lifetime people that have already paid and are in for life, and then the 3-year people. So you get those live streams on Wednesday nights. You get Gabe's market open streams every single day, live masterclasses, exclusive access to all the new products that we release. So if you guys do want that, reach out to Diana before the end of the day, before the prices drastically increase at the end of the month. But yeah, Miguel, we've been over this a lot today. It's 3-year and lifetime, not lifetime payment plan. Lifetime payment plan, you get delayed masterclasses. You pay for 10 months, then you never pay again. So if you want that, you can also reach out to Diana and she can help you upgrade there. Biden is confident about the steps he has taken on banking. Biden should be more confident about the steps he takes in real life or with like walking. Let's see. Well, am I wrong though? Like, he should. You should figure his shit out. Can't be having that dude walking around on a cane or something. A walker. Be a little bit sus. Not wrong. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Yeah, let's take put one foot in front of the other. um, yeah, he's got to figure out. Let's see. He's got to figure out how to like walk first before, dude. Step one, figure out how to walk. Step two, then we can consider solving this banking crisis that we have. Okay, okay. Ooh, walking is hard. Yeah, I'm not over here saying that I'm the best walker in the world. I'm not very good at it. Like if we were to I'd probably be in like the 50 percentile for walking. I tripped aggressively about 2 times over the weekend and I always like fucking smack my shins into the corner of my bed and it's sharp and it fucking hurts. I'm not very good at walking. One of the reasons is because I have large feet, so like they just hit shit and then I fall. I don't fall usually. I fell up the stairs and I fell down the stairs. Stairs are not, maybe I should just say stairs are the problem. I don't think it's me. Like walking may not necessarily be the problem. I think it's just me and stairs. We need to Vix proof his apartment. Big feet issues. Yeah, guys, it's not all sunshine and rainbows when you're you can't buy shoes anywhere. It's nonsense, bro. Everything is made in this world for like small people. What about us? What about us non-vertically challenged people? Can we get some damn help, please? What size shoe do you wear? 14. Depends on the brand, though. Sometimes it's a 13. Who are you calling small? Let's see. Like, why can't I get any damn help over here, bro? Lies. Show us. Okay, I'll grab my boot. I don't know where my boot is. I'll show you my white boots. Give me like 2 seconds. Let's see. These are my white boots. Hello. Good afternoon. They barely fit on the screen, bro. See this? This is compared to my head. These white boots are fire, though. Don't even come at me for having white boots. They're fucking crazy. And they make me look like I'm 6'4". Not actually, like 6'3". What are those? They're white Doc Martens. They're fucking cool, bro. I don't want to hear it. You know who loves them? Your wife. Okay. What about the other foot? Stop. No, I'm not showing you my feet. You know why? Because then you get to see the ankle. Aren't taller people more prone to falling? I think so. I fall down a lot. But I never fall down when there's booze involved. So I don't know, man. White House, this is not a bailout. We're just giving people money. Just like it's not a recession. Bro, 90s rap music called asking for their footwear back. Guys, there's a reason for this. There's a reason why I have them. So we walked into the store on Newberry, and I had zero intention of buying anything. But my buddy, Gordon, Andy knows Gordon. He wanted to buy these white pair of Doc Martens, but he wanted the flat top one. Now they didn't have them, but they had these. So me and my other buddy were in the store trying on way too many shoes. So we kind of felt bad at this point. And then my buddy bought the only pair of shoes because my other buddy and Gordon are the same size. So he bought the only other pair of shoes that they had with the actually, no, he didn't. I thought we did though. Oh, I think they didn't have either of their size, but they had my size, shockingly. So I bought them. So then me and my other friend are the only two people with white boots. And then the person that actually wanted them doesn't. So we bought the white boots sarcastically, and then I wear them all the time. I also, never mind. I'm not going to tell you this next one. We wear some weird shit sometimes, and it's really fun. We like to just do whatever the hell we want. We don't care what other people think. My white boots are cool as fuck. That was a great shoe story. Thanks. I thought it was horrendous, but you thought I was shorter? No, I'm like 6'2". I'm not that tall though. Like that's not like if I was like 6'6", that to me is tall. 6'4" and above is like tall. So many buddies. I got a lot of friends, bro. Spy just fucking around here, not really doing a whole lot. It was horrendous. Thanks. You're 6'4". See, you're tall. I'm not that tall. I'm not short. I'm not tall though. Do you call him Gordon? No, I call him Gordon Combs. That's why. That's what we call him. Where's Andy? Is Andy on here? Wait. It's complicated. It's just a nickname, guys. It's just a nickname. Markets come down. It's just wicking the 5-minute 13 here. How much time you got left on this candle? 2 minutes? White boots and a buddy named Gordon Combs. Yep. Don't be hating on my white boots. Most of my shoes are white. I got white Nikes. I got some other shoes that I'm pretty sure all my shoes are white. Spy says, meh. Yeah, pretty much. Did he earn the white boots? He still doesn't have them. That's the funny part. He still doesn't have them. And he was the only person that wanted them before me and my other friend even knew what they were. Those boots go hard. Bro, they're awesome. Don't wear the white boots with the linen coat. I think I did. Man, it looked awesome. Don't you be coming after me for any of that, bro. You got 31 seconds here. Spy gets a close above 388.14. That's gonna be a close above the 5-minute 13 there. What's my reach? I don't know, bro. Not before May. Look, I gotta figure out I wore a suit a couple days ago. What kind of pants? I forgot the pants that I wore. Yeah, there's a candle close above. Let's see if it makes that move back up. A tattoo artist? No. No, my way. I just got to clean them. Sometimes I just buy shit. I don't know. That was probably the last thing that I purchased, and that was like a month and a half ago. I don't really buy anything ever, guys. I buy options contracts. I go to the playground sometimes, and I also like, I don't know, I get Uber Eats deals. That's really all I do. White dress shoes? I don't have white dress shoes. Do I miss wearing hoodies? I wear hoodies all the time. Like constantly. Like when I'm not on the stream, this comes off hoodie. I'm not sitting here in a suit jacket all day. Getting on us for pissing money away, and this guy got white boots. Bro. The white boots are a great investment. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You need a 1348 hoodie. Yeah, I got to get on that for you guys. We have a couple other things that we got to... Once I have slightly more time, I can do it. But right now, I can't really. And there's some other shit I'd have to... It's more complicated. Everything is always more complicated than you think it is. Let's see. It's just hanging on to this 5-minute 13 here, doing fuck all. You got blue Timbs. That's kind of interesting. I don't know. I just like white shoes, bro. I don't know what it is. I got these. I got some other shit over there. Even the shoes that came in 2 different sizes that I can never wear. Like, they're all white shoes. Even the shoes I didn't end up buying were going to be white. I don't know. I just like white shoes. Just waiting for news to push it one way or another. Yeah, CPI tomorrow, I think, is what they're waiting for. I wouldn't be surprised if it came in lower than expected and the market rallied back into the 390s. Wouldn't surprise me. Am I expecting that or positioning myself for that? No, I wouldn't be surprised if they did it. White sandals. I actually have white Gucci flip-flops kicking around somewhere. I don't know where they are, though. I haven't worn those in years. You kind of feel like an asshole wearing them. You're like, you just kind of look like a little hypebeast dumbass. We got to class it up these days, bro. Because all right. I bought those when I didn't have, like, any money. So, like, I think I was, like, 17 when I bought those. So, like, if 17-year-old me can go buy them, I don't want them. Like, why? Like, why would I wear them? You just kind of look stupid. I don't know. Knockoff? They're not knockoffs. 250% on Mara runners. Thank you. 30-minute traffic light. 30-minute traffic light? The fuck you doing, bro? Like, I don't want them. If, like, 17-year-old me can go buy it, it's like, why do it? Plus, you kind of look like a dickhead. You got white sandals. That's pretty cool. White bed sheets. Yep. Kind of run. Thanks for the entertainment. No problem, buddy. Yeah, you're just teetering at this 5-minute 13 here. Just kind of fucking around at it. You might see a little movement into close. A little movement into close. Kind of. Yeah, you kind of look like a dickhead. Like, I was thinking about getting some more, like, T-shirts and stuff, but I'm like, where I would go to wear the T-shirts, everybody kind of knows the deal anyway. I don't need to spend fucking $1 million on a T-shirt. So you need to watch the videos. You didn't trust that 1 minute turning red, so you got stopped out. Interesting. This? Yeah, definitely got to watch the videos. All right, guys. It is 3 p.m. That is going to be wrapping up the afternoon live stream for today. All right, guys. I'm throwing the link to your opportunity to get 90% off on your first month on the platform. Remember, guys, we do have that new member live stream coming on tonight, so make sure you guys are there for that. Again, it's $5 for your first month, guys. Get your asses in there. See if you like it. You will. I mean, we've been doing this for a year, and I'm the only one with millionaire interviews on their YouTube channel, so that should tell you a decent amount. Again, all those videos are linked in the description here. If you guys do want to upgrade to 3-year, make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of the day today so you can be in on those Gabe live streams tomorrow and be ready to go for my night stream on Wednesday. But other than that, guys, what a fucking day here. Another day in Print City. I'll see you guys in a little bit.